got CPR training and all that. And I don't know, man. I know I need to get clean. It's getting real close. Really
understand, if you want that, you gotta really want it.
I know.
And everybody wants to help you with that.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? That's why we're sitting here talking to you.
Yeah.
Because we want you to survive.
And y'all are cool as shit. Like some cops, like CPD in general. I've lived in a lot of different places. Sorry to interrupt you, but
It's okay.
Today's video shows an incident where officers were called to an alley about a man who appeared to be high and was acting strange. The officers located the man, had a long, candid conversation with him. I think the nature of this conversation might surprise a lot of people who are not so familiar with how police do their job in these communities. I hope you enjoy this video. I hope you learned something. And I'll talk to you soon.
sorry, bud.
You're alright.
Your belt on.
Yeah? You can lean up against my car if you want so you can put your belt on.
Thank you, sir. You don't want to scratch your car.
You're not going to scratch it. This is one of the older ones that's due to be replaced any day now.
Is Tucker working with me?
He doesn't work until later. He works second shift.
Yeah, I helped Tucker.
Okay. Where'd you get them pants?
I found them in the dumpster.
Not a bad pair of pants.
I like these ones right here, too.
They look like they're relatively clean, even.
Yes, sir. What's the problem?
Well, someone called because of the way you're acting. You're a little high right now.
I'm not high. I just haven't slept.
Okay. I mean, you're super fidgety, and
yeah,
people are concerned about you.
All right.
What drugs do you normally take?
Methamphetamine.
Mm-hmm.
I haven't done anything today. I'm a little bit dope sick, to be honest with you.
Really?
But I was headed to Jacobs Crossing to talk to Mr. Fred.
Yeah.
He actually, a couple of days ago, had me sit down with the director of Woodhaven.
Yeah.
I know I'm trying to stay out of the way back here, really.
No, I
I
understand.
don't want to be in public like this, so.
Yeah.
I would like to talk to Mr. I get food, you know.
Yeah. No, I'm familiar with him.
If it's not a big problem.
It's not a big problem. We just wanted to stop and talk to you. That's all. What's your name?
Mike. Yeah, I ain't got no 50s.
I'm gonna have to write that down because I can't remember that name.
Yeah, it means a beautiful wolf in German.
Oh shit.
Yeah, it was tough in damn high school.
Hey, Mr. Fred, get you some fancy fits, you
Yes, sir, I think so. These are like 38s.
Yeah.
You're a little skinnier than that.
38s would be big on me.
Yeah.
What's your social, bud? Okay. I'll just
run.
run a quick 50. You say you're good though?
Yeah, I was just in the hospital. You know, they made me. Well, I was really goddamn.
When did you use last?
Last night.
Is that right?
Yeah.
How much do you use a day usually? You're not in any trouble, bud. I'm just asking a question. Here's why I ask. It helps educate us on what's going on. You know what I mean? Because now, and you can probably tell us this. Almost everything's fetty out here anymore.
Yeah, and even the meth and the crack and all that.
Yeah.
Look at this shit.
So it's in years, right?
No.
Okay.
No. It probably didn't even.
Ready to 193 and 98.
That's not even dope, I don't think. It looks like chicken grease.
Somebody burnt something, so.
I think somebody.
98, I could show 19 please on a 34-0 between the alley or 128 North Hudson Avenue.
6 or 7 of us.
Will be en route when Narcan has given advice to the
With
further.
In Patego?
Yeah. And we all kind of mess with the same. I'm cool, right?
Mm-hmm.
I think we all get it from the same dude. I think being funny, man. I think he contaminated his shit, bro. Look at that. We all got it.
So.
Giving you those like pox and stuff?
Yeah, you better be careful because that may cut open and.
Are those your injection sites?
No. I don't
Really?
really shoot up them. I shoot ice. And I honestly don't do ice every day.
You hope it's ice.
Yeah. Last time I was in the pipe, I pissed dirty for everything under the sun.
Yeah. Well, what they're doing is it'll be hard to get a certain shipment in, so they just cut it with whatever they can find.
Yeah.
And then they tell you, hey, this is Fetty and it's not Fetty, or they'll tell you it's ice and it's not ice.
Yeah, like, man.
When's the last time you OD'd? A while.
No, you also have it on record. Probably.
34C.
I was in a relationship with my girlfriend for 15 years, man, and she broke up with me about 3-4 weeks ago. Not to mention we live in the same house because we don't have the funds to go anywhere else, and she moved with her new boyfriend in the house, and like,
That's hard.
not like intentionally, I didn't like, here.
Yeah.
But I kind of like didn't give much of a fuck, and did a speedball. There wasn't no speedball, and y'all, well, the people around me hit me with 4 Narcans. Wow. No, it gets better. They couldn't get me back, so we called the squad. The squad showed up, hit me with 4 more Narcans. Put 5 pounds of ice down my pants. And not like frozen H2O, you know.
Mm-hmm. 5 pounds of ice will get you a lot of money out here.
Oh yeah. And they said I came to, and I sat up, and I like sort of like came to, and then I went back out.
Yeah.
And I don't know if they did it knowingly, probably not, because it's illegal. But my friend Brent said he mixed up a gram of ice, not frozen H2O, and squirted it up my nose. And then they hit me
To try to perk you up?
And they hit me with like 4 more Narcans, and I fucking, bro, when I came back, it was, I was like trying to kick y'all and go nuts.
Oh, sure, yeah.
I bet you that would make you go crazy, man.
Yeah.
Were you hallucinating and stuff on that?
When I came back, yes.
Yeah.
I didn't know what the hell was going on, like, and it just goes to show, man, like, I don't know, like 3 months ago, man, you know, People Ready?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
The lady, I forgot her name, the white lady that works there, about 2 years ago, pulled up on me at Roscoe's, and she was like hysterical. She couldn't find her daughter, Kayla. And I guess her dad, or Kayla's dad, the lady's husband, had passed away. And Kayla was out here, out here. And so I got in the car and helped find her. And she went down to a program in Portsmouth, and she's been clean ever since. But anyways, I stop by and see the lady every now and again just to talk to her and use the phone and whatnot, and she always gives me some money for food. There's some black lady in there that I've never met in my life. And in line waiting to talk to me, to get a check for the next time or whatever. And as I was walking out, she said, she stopped me. She said, I don't know you, I've never met you, but I drank every day for 20 years and I'm clean now and I love it. But I just feel it coming on for you. God has a plan for you. Like, you need to get clean. And man, there's like so many situations like I shouldn't be here anymore. And then just the fact that I don't know, I came to close with my girlfriend, don't know a single person, no family, none of that. I saved 21 lives. I got CPR training and all that. And I don't know, man. I know I need to get clean. It's getting real close, man. I really
understand. If you want that, you gotta really want it.
I know.
And everybody wants to help you with that.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? That's why we're sitting here talking to you.
Yeah.
Because we want you to survive.
Man, y'all are cool as shit. Like some cops, like CPD in general. I've lived in a lot of different places. Sorry to interrupt you, but
It's okay.
like Virginia, man, I'd be dirt, like.
It didn't do any good for you to die.
I know, man.
Do you still live with your ex-girlfriend in that house?
Yeah, well, I moved up to Lincoln Village for a little bit. Like, my friend Alex was gonna rent me a room out, but they're strung out. They're worse than me, man. And my money kept disappearing, my dope kept disappearing, and like, then they freaking try to say I was stealing shit from them, like.
Yeah.
So I moved back down here we got a place on Huron, right over here in I live in Westgate.
Yeah.
Yes.
Do you guys live just south of Broad there?
North.
Oh, you live
We're
north?
Woodland,
Okay.
Yeah,
okay.
we're on a good side.
Okay.
That's right.
All right, man.
Can we help
Yeah,
you with
man,
anything, brother?
Nah, man, y'all helped me out already, man.
Well, hopefully you can get into some program, man.
Yeah.
When you do, don't come back to Columbus.
Man, look, I found a program called First Steps in Palm Beach, Florida. I was born in Daytona. My mom died when I was 16. She left me a house in Oklahoma that I let my grandma live in. And then there's 10 acres with nothing on it. It's like swampland kind of in Sebring, Florida. It's like 45 minutes northwest of Fort Lauderdale.
Mm-hmm.
And so, like, I'm trying to get to that place, but Medicaid here doesn't cover out-of-state rehabilitation.
Oh, okay.
So I found a program called Am Better, which means I'm gonna have to drop my Medicaid, reapply, and when they go to assign me to a service like I'm Molina right now, I've gotta tell them beforehand I'm trying to get Am Better or any other program that covers out-of-state rehabilitation. But I also know Florida is like the real ground zero for the opioid epidemic.
Yeah.
So like, I don't know, man.
It's hard. It's definitely hard, but
yeah.
you got to get into that program first. Take that first step. Most people don't make it the first time too.
Yeah. Man, I'm sure y'all have never had a struggle with addiction. Maybe you have. I don't know, but it's hard, man. It really is.
You're a smart guy. I'm getting this feeling that you're an incredibly smart kid. I say kid because you're younger than me. Don't take that offense.
No.
Because I'm older.
I'm cool, man. I'm not gonna have 40. I'm cool. You can call me.
You are a smart man. You know the way to go. The devil keeps calling you back with the drug. Okay.
Yeah.
There's gonna be one day you're gonna be like, screw this, I'm done, and you're gonna move on past that point.
Yeah.
You don't look back. But it's harder because I'm not an addict, so I can't say how hard or how easy that is.
Yeah.
It's probably a bitch, right?
It's a bitch.
Yeah.
It's like
keep pushing. As long as you're breathing, keep pushing. Okay.
You got
The word I'm
it.
going to leave you with. It's called move. Okay.
That
What I
would
mean
be
is, don't remain stagnant.
Yeah.
You don't have to move away from here, but I mean, don't just stand in one place and expect things to be the same.
Yeah.
You've got to make it happen for yourself.
Man, I like that, man.
All right.
Yes.
Well, you got to use that pain too. Like when you're dope sick and all that, you got to use that pain as healing.
A lot of it stemmed. I mean, it all started really with my mom when she got diagnosed. I was 13.
Mm-hmm.
So no, it was just me and her. My parents got divorced when I was 4, and my sister lived with my dad, and I lived with my mom. Man.
Yeah, but all that stuff is in the past,
Yeah,
man.
I know.
What you're dealing with right now is what you're dealing with right now.
Yeah, right.
And it's just like, you know, when you get dope sick and you're craving more, you got to use that sickness as encouragement. Because when you're sick, that means you're doing the right thing.
Right.
You know what I mean? It's just like me and him, we both went through the academy, we both work out and stuff. When I go to the gym, I'm trying to bring pain on myself because that's how I improve myself.
Yeah, that's true.
You got to use that pain. Like when you're feeling that pain, that's a good thing.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Like looking for a way out of that pain, that's not going to help.
It's you're right. I totally agree with you because you gotta face it to deal with it. And like, I think about it all the time. Like I've been to the Pike a few times, and this last time I went to the Pike, they didn't give me no spots, so like they usually do. And I mean, for real, it was only like a week.
Yeah.
I mean, yeah, it sucked. Yeah, it really sucked. But it was only a week. Like that week was over before I.
Yeah.
100, 101.
You know, and I think it's the fact that we mind fuck ourselves out here.
Yeah.
Like we can get it. You know, oh my legs.
It's the easy way out.
Right here, you know?
Well, you know, it's like if you want to get on the other side of that wall and you run flat into it and it's a brick wall, it's a lot easier just to turn and go back the easy way.
Yeah.
It's a lot harder just to claw your way through that fucking wall.
That's right.
You know what I mean? But that's what you have to do. You have to crawl your way through that wall. You know, dig your fingers down to the bone. But when you get on the other side, it's going to be a better place.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So, well, good luck.
Yeah,
good talk to those guys up there.
Badger. Y'all
Yeah.
be safe, man.
Thank you, man.
I help talk it out. Like I'm not on your payroll or no shit like that. 'Cause I never could be. Like I'd end up a dead man. But
You do what you do. We do what we do. You're a smart man. Rely on your smarts.
yes, sir.
Yeah, keep it together, man.
If y'all ever need a hand with anything,
We're good.
You know,
We'll shout at you.
I'm out. You know, find me somewhere like this.
And 100 if I can tell you.
Yeah. You'll be all right. Go ahead and grab your bike and
Yeah, appreciate you.
get on your way, man.
I'm gonna make some nunchucks.
That might be something to kill some time.
Yeah. Hey, look, I got a degree in mechanical engineering.
Mm-hmm.
And, I don't know, I haven't met anything I can't fix or build.
Yeah.
So, I just need to find something to occupy that.
Yep. Well, like he was saying, just keep moving forward.
Yeah, man, thank you.
All right, man. Take care. All right. We're going to get out of your hair.
All right, y'all be safe, man, for real.
Thank you.